G'day folks, this is just going to be a quick little video. For those of you who are wondering if you can charge the DJI Smart Controller while flying your drone, the answer is yes. So let's go in and do a quick demonstration. Now the stock controller that did come with the Mavic 2 Pro can be charged by a power bank as well. But one nice feature of the Smart Controller is that you can charge it while you're flying it. And how many of us have run into that problem? You're out, you're doing a lot of flying, different things, or you forget to charge it before you go. You charge up your drone batteries, but you forget to charge up your controller. You get out in the field and you're at 30%. Well, that's not an issue anymore. If you're a person who packs a power bank along in their gear, you can actually charge your Smart Controller, and you can even fly while it's charging. So we'll plug the Smart Controller into a power bank, and as you can see there, it's now charging. Now it's just charging at a standard rate. It's not fast charging like the Smart Controller is capable of. So let's go ahead and let's power on the Smart Controller. And we're going to power on our drone. It's going to give us a message there that it's not being charged at its full speed. So let's go in and we'll launch the DJI Go 4 app. You notice it's on, we're launching it, and it's still charging. We can now hit Go Fly. So you'll notice here, we're launched and we're connected and it's still charging. We can fire up the propellers. And it's still going to go ahead and charge. So yeah, that is definitely a handy feature of the Smart Remote. You can put a small power bank in your pocket with a 6-foot cable, say, and charge your remote while you're flying. Now, I kind of mentioned this in my unboxing video a few days ago. I wonder if that's one of the accessories that DJI will be launching for this Smart Controller. At the bottom, we have these two kind of accessory screws. Nobody really knows 100% what they're for. It seems to be that they might be releasing some kind of lanyard system for it. But I also wondered, due to the fact that the USB-C port is right there, if they're maybe going to launch some kind of battery pack, add-on that could plug into the USB-C port and screw in and extend the battery. The Smart Remote can be used for a lot of different things, right? So you might end up burning the battery a lot quicker because you're using it for a lot more. You can preview your content out in the field. So it'll be kind of interesting to see what kind of accessories do come out for it. And maybe some third-party companies will come up with some interesting things. Anyways, folks, that's it for my video. Thanks a lot for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next one.